Under the canvas of stars a campfire crackles, its warm glow a beacon in the night. Marshmallows toast turning golden as tales of the forest's whispers unfold. Shadows dance and laughter echoes, a symphony of camaraderie in the wilderness. The scent of pine lingers a reminder of nature's embrace. As the fire dims, a hush falls, and the night's serenity blankets the camp. Dreams weave into the fabric of the dark while the forest stands guard. Dawn peaks, and with it the promise of another adventure. In the heart of the woods, every camper finds a story.